ukuthi lemfene yethukile khathi zakhamuzi zinxuswa ukuba zingalokothi zizame ukuyibamba njengoba kungenzeka iphendule ngolaka. Abakwa City Parks bathi ngokwemvelo nje izimfene ziyayithanda indawo ethule.
Johannesburg City Parks and Zoo has been alerted to a baboon on the loose. There have been sightings at the Joburg Botanic Gardens in the Emerentia area. We appeal to residents to be on the lookout. Bear in mind that the animal is just as terrified and can be a little bit jumpy. We urge you to be cautious and to report all sightings to Joburg City Parks and Zoo on the emergency number 011 375 5555 or on 011 712 6600.
Njengoba lemfene ibukeka isondelene nemizi nje, izakhamuzi sixwayiswa ngokuthi zingaxhamazeli uma ziyibhadama emzini yazo.
It is best to steer clear from it and not to try and approach it. And it is quite a big baboon. We are not at this stage sure where it's from. It could be from the natural areas such as the Northcliffe Ridge.
Abakwa City Parks bathi-ke imfene iyakwazi ukufunda umqondo womuntu uma nje ikubona ukuthi unetwetwe futhi unenhloso embi ngayo ivuka nje bomvu.